Today we are gonna replace this smart thermostat with our smart AC panels.
Cut off power before operation safety priority. Finish installation in 3 easy steps. 1. Remove existing panels and unscrewing fasteners with a screwdriver. 2. Take off the wired controller base. Then connect the AC signal cable to the smart panel base. 3. Secure the panel. Secure the panel. Complete the network. Pairing to enable remote control. Media mesh to point 0. Easy installation within 3 minutes.
Call me.